Let's start discussing other exercises which is related to vocabulary section. इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि वर्ड मीनिंग्स हम अपनी कंसेप्चुअल वीडियो में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. Let's move on to the next question which is use these words in sentences. So words दिए गए हैं उनके हमें sentences बनाने हैं. First word is advantageous जिसका sentence होगा You are in a very advantageous position. Second word is innovative and the sentence is There will be a prize for the most innovative robot design. Third word is rewarding, जिसका sentence है Teaching can be a very rewarding career. And then the next word is aptitude and इसका sentence है He has an aptitude for journalism. And last word is considerations, जिसका sentence है Please give this matter your careful considerations. Let's move on to the next question which is related to vocabulary section and it is identify the differences between these terms after consulting the dictionary. So first word is degree. Degree का क्या meaning होता है? An academic rank conferred by a college or university after examination or after completion of a course. Conferred का मतलब होता है किसी चीज़ को किसी को देना, allot करना. And then second word is certificate. इसका मीनिंग होता है an official document of the qualification that you receive when you are successful in an exam. Third word is diploma. Diploma क्या होता है? A certificate awarded by an educational establishment to show that someone has successfully completed a course of study. Last word is course. ये क्या होता है? A document given by a college or university to show that you have passed a particular exam or finished your studies. Let's move on to the last question of vocabulary section जो कि है give a name to each of the following persons. तो इसमें हमें professions की details बताई गई हैं और हमें exact profession का नाम लिखना है. So first is a person who reports for a newspaper. इसको हम कह सकते हैं news reporter. Second is a person who introduces performers at a concert. इसको हम host कह सकते हैं. Third is a person who takes charge of a school. So this will be headmaster. Fourth, a person who gives evidence in the court. So इसको हम witness बोल सकते हैं. Fifth is a person who repairs boots and shoes. So ऐसे person को cobbler कहते हैं. Sixth is a person who is skilled in the science of plants. So इसको botanist. Last is a person who designs buildings. So this person is called architect. Thank you.